Morning everybody, welcome to another video. So where am I today? This might give it away, the HQ of Dartmoor Whisky. That's right, I'm at Bovey Tracey. Bovey Tracey on the edge of Dartmoor. And I'm actually at the top of town where the Dartmoor Whisky Distillery is. Well worth popping into. They've got a bar in there that's open at weekends, they do tasting sessions, the works. A great addition to the town. But what we're going to do is we're going to walk all the way down the high street, right way down to the stream, to give you a little bit of a taste of the town of Bovey Tracey. So the great thing about Bovey is it doesn't seem to have been developed. There's no big anything here that's taken it over. It's still got those nice sort of little town places. So I've got another pub there, the Bell Inn, Chinese takeaway, car sales. Oh, and the road's going to be closed. Hopefully not when you're here. Maybe you've been to Bovey Tracey. What do you think of it? Coming the summer, there's lots going on. More cars for sale there. The Dartmoor galleries we're walking past. Oh, there you go. Dartmoor Whisky and Gin Distillery back up the hill there. But let's carry on down past the fish and chip shop. It's very quiet. We're at the end of April here, and I'm quite surprised how quiet it is, I have to be honest. But this is a good time for the marketing. If you've been to Bovey and like this video, please do give me a like. And failing that, if you haven't already, if you can subscribe, it costs you nothing and helps me enormously. Past the funeral directors. It's great to see all these little shops, chiropodist, barbers. Those who watch my channels regularly know I like the non-label coffee shops. Pet supplies. Photography. What have we got here? Hair salon. Shoe shop, shoe repairs. Traditional fruit and veg. Oh, look at the dog up there. Hello, doggy. Homewares. All homewares. Really is a great little town. If you're worried about the hill, then don't be, because it's not that much of a hill. That's our first estate agent. Oh, there we go. Tesco Express. Another pub. Another cafe with a little delicatessen here. The Bovey larder. Indian restaurant, estate agents again. There you go, from me saying it doesn't seem to be very busy, all of a sudden seems to have got busy. But look, if I just go back, look at this. No idea where that goes, but the Mare and Foal Sanctuary here, the charity shop. Another tea shop. And we're going down the road to the stream, or the river, I suppose you could call it. Another hairdresser, a barber shop. It is a bit chilly today. We had a lovely day yesterday. It was in the 20s. Now it's in the early teens. There's the estate agent on the corner here. And over on our right, we're just beginning to get to the park, and that's where in the summer they have all the summer fairs, the events, etc. Just about to cross the road. Lovely, lovely old building here. Perhaps a coaching in days of yonder, and it's now the co-op. And across from us there is Make Southwest, which is a big craft centre. Fascinating to go in, it has to be said. So if you're down this way, free admission, do go in. Now we're on a raised walkway here because this bit quite often floods in the winter. Nice little docile little stream you can see over there. Stream cum river that people paddle in the summer. Well, all that generally floods if we get high tide. So there we go, and here's the big car park that you're parking if you come to Make Southwest or Bovey itself. And we'll just carry on to the cheese shed, because who doesn't like cheese? So there you go, thank you for watching. We've got Brookside up here, which is a great little cafe restaurant. Yeah, thank you for watching as we go past the tourist information and the library. If you've enjoyed this video, please drop me a like, and if you haven't already, if you can subscribe, it helps me enormously. It costs you nothing, but it does help me enormously. Until the next one, thank you very much. Bye bye.